Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials: data, mandate, and quick wins. Explain why clear metrics matter and collect baseline numbers. Once done, form a cross-party working group with 7-12 experts to maintain momentum. Next, define a 90-day sprint with concrete KPIs to test policies in pilot regions. Make sure to secure initial funding and legal path. This enables immediate action rather than endless studies. You'll move faster with public dashboards that force accountability and learning. You now execute pilots that combine fiscal, health, and infrastructure fixes. Explain how bundles interact and why combined interventions produce multiplier effects. Deploy randomized or phased rollouts so you can measure 1-2 primary outcomes and adapt quickly. Once pilots run, collect qualitative feedback from communities and adjust policy design. Make sure to coordinate federal-provincial data sharing and fast-track regulatory waivers where legal. This reduces delays. You wrap up by validating which pilots meet KPIs and preparing a scale plan with 12-24-month timelines and detailed budgets. Explain why phased national rollout reduces risk and set 6-month checkpoints with public reports to sustain trust. Make sure to include contingency reserves of 5-10% and governance for rapid reallocation. If political or operational resistance appears, use targeted communication, mediation, and rapid policy tweaks. This troubleshooting tip prevents stalled implementation and preserves momentum while you fix course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.